Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 5 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish the kitchen. As you can see here, we have our cabinetries above and below. We have our island and we have everything that is included there. We even fixed here the sink. And I think the last thing that we're gonna do or we're gonna load is the chair. So let's go and go to architecture or sorry, insert, load family and go to our furniture. And then let's just get some seating. And let's just use this. And then type in CM and then press your spacebar so that it turns. And then let's just add 3. So that looks nice. We have our counter or island right here. Let's also add in like our sofa. So now that we're here, we could load in this chair and then the sofa. So I'm gonna hold my control button so that I can load both of this, or I'm just gonna load individually so that we don't need to look for the other one. So just press CM. Let's load this one right here on this side, and then click load family again, and then like the sofa. Then type in CM, and then click your spacebar so that it turns around. And depending on where you put it, it could turn basically on different angles. For example, 45, because I'm putting it on a 45 like that, so it will go to a 45. So if it's round, it could turn on different angles as well. As you can see, I'm able to just turn it around like that because it's on a circular face when I press the space bar. So now I'm just gonna put it on a 90 degrees so it's easier, and then we could just add it right here in the middle, and then let's scoot it on the side like so. We could add in our TV right here. So now let's add in more furniture. Let's go back here and then let's add in some tables. All of this, I'm gonna put the link so that you could have all this families. So just let's add the coffee table. CM, this is too small. Let's make it bigger. And we could just select it from here. This one's too big. So what we could do is we could just press escape, click it again, edit type. Let's duplicate this, and you could just rename it whatever you want. I'm just gonna leave it so that I don't need to do anything else. And then here for the width, let's change it to 700, and the length, I'm just gonna leave the length. So here we just need to rotate it. So RO, and then I'm gonna put it there and then type in 90. So now I can move it like that, and maybe we could just make it smaller a little bit. So instead of 1830, let's put 1700. Okay, so that's good enough. It looks good, and we could just move it like that. And then let's just load a TV. It's basically under furniture, and then it will be at right here. CM, And then we're just gonna add it like that, just to represent. And then we could change it to a different size. Obviously, we're gonna pick the bigger one. So we have our TV, and then we could add in a table here, a circular table. I think it's on the table. We have a table with right here. Maybe we could load this one. It might be too big, but let's see. So yes, this is perfect for, I believe what I was referring to is a bigger circle. So that's good enough. Let's see the other. Even this one is good enough. But at least the 4 one or the second one will be good. Just enough for this space. Okay. We could just leave it like that. And then let's load in more furniture. And then let's not forget about the doors so that we're finished with the second. I'm just gonna move this one because I don't want it to be on my way. We want to see everything that is available for the space. Let's click load family and let's add in the dining table. So this one, I would like to choose this. And then we could add in the table right here. CM. And then let's load in some chairs, furniture, and then seating. And then let's load this. Okay, overwrite that. So we probably have it already. So let's go just click and then let's look for it. So not the stacking, this one. M chair Briar. And let's add it like that. Let me see if this is the biggest one that we have. I think in terms of how long it is, yes, we could actually duplicate it and make it wider. So here we could add in 900 and we could set this one to 2400. Press OK and that looks nice. So now we could just CM here and let's just put it on one side for now because it's easy to select all and then just do it like that. So just mirroring would be perfect. Okay, so it's easy to navigate. Okay, so we have our living room. I don't know if you guys know that we have a car here in Revit. So let's load that. Insert, load family. You need to go to entourage, and then we have a beater car here. So after that, CM, add the car to represent the car there. Okay, and then now we're gonna load more furniture, but I want to load the doors that we're gonna use. Maybe we could edit this as well. As you know, this is too deep, so I'm gonna duplicate this as well. And it's up to you to change the name to something, but I'm gonna change the depth. Instead of 560, I want it to be, let's see, 400. There we go. That's perfect. And I want to see if we could change this. No, this is something that we don't want to edit anymore because we need to go to edit family and then we need to redraw everything or scale it. But that's something that I don't want to do. That takes time. Um, so we could load more stuff here, specifically a table for the entrance. So let's add in furniture and then table. We need an entrance table. So it's something not here. But what we could add is I was looking for a credenza. So we don't have it here. So I'm just gonna use this end table. And then let's add in an end table right here. So CM. So now we're adding more stuff. Here we're gonna move it. Let's not move it too much in. Just this one is perfect. I know this sofa is too big for the space, but yeah, we could just edit the depth. Probably 650 would be good. See? And then this one as well. Edit 650. And it will, both of them will change. But if you do a duplicate, it will only change the duplicate and then you need to go to the other duplicate to change it. Let's load in like maybe a storage here. Let's see, I think the storage is the one with a credenza. This one is what I'm looking for. So it's under storage. And then let's put it here. The credenza. This is too big for the space. We can edit this. Usually, the proper way of doing is duplicating stuff and then just changing it. So for the width, let's do it probably 1600 and then the the depth around 550. Okay, and then just move it. We could just extend this one a little bit so that it's perfect on this. And then the depth, we could change that more. 400 would be good. So this is perfect for this space because we're gonna put a sliding door here. So that's good. And then we could put in more storage right here. Let's put a shelving basically. Okay, CM. Let's put some two shelving and then like a lamp and a seating here. So furniture, go back to furniture and then we could go to seating and then let's add in a proper seating here. Let's just add this and then I want it to be 45. So I'm just gonna put a space bar there and then here and then let's add in a floor lamp right here. So let's go back to the main and then let's look for lighting and then go to architecture, internal. We have a standing light lamp or a floor lamp here. Floor lamp, standing height. This one is what I want. cm. I want it to be 45 as well. So let's add it 45 like that. So that looks perfect. So we have a reading loop here. And then let's load a table lamp. Let's add this one, the standard, and make sure once you press CM, elevate this around 650 so that it will show on your floor plan like that. So this is looking good. Let's load the garage door and some doors. So go back to main and then look for doors. Let's go to residential door and the garage. Let's load this one, and then you will need to click on doors. So let's go on the other side. So let's add it there. You want to make sure that everything is proper. So let's just go to edit type and then let's just look at the height. So 2100, that's good enough because I know that we set the height for our floors to be 3000. So that's the only thing that I'm checking there. And then let's load in more doors specifically for the main entrance. So I want this one to be for our main. So usually I load all of them, but I'm just gonna load from 1800 up here. Okay, and now I'll just load everything. Continue, and then once you click on door, you'll be able to add in the doors. So that's 1500, and then let's look for 1700 by 2000. I think this is perfect. Very huge. And then let's load in the sliding door and then the basic door for everything like here. So let's go to insert, load family. So residential, interior. I'm looking for the sliding door. Maybe it's not here. Let's go back. Double sliding. Panel. This one. Sliding this one. So interior double sliding to panel. Okay. Usually I load everything. So hold on control button. Or sorry, shift and then press OK. And then now we need to choose the proper for the size. So this is perfect. So around 2000 will be perfect. 1200 to 2000. And then this one, we're just going to add it for now. Press escape, click it again. And then now we could change different width. But we need to maintain the 2000 height so that everything is consistent. So let's go 1800. So that's good. 1800 by 2000. And then let's go and load in the interior door. I'm looking at the one panel wood. So this one, let's load everything again. Shift, hold, and then Click again, press OK, and then yes. Click on door. Obviously, this is too small. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click it, press escape, flip it, and then now we're gonna maintain the 2000, but most of the time around 700 to 900 is the proper for the door size. Let's go to 750, I believe. No, that's too big. 700 by 2000. Okay. Yes, that's good enough. 700 by 2000. That's good enough. We can even flip this around. So we could do this or flip it around like that. So it's up to you. And then let's add in a door here as well. Maybe we're just going to maintain that size. That's 700 by 2000 for all the doors, interior doors that we're going to add here. I want it to be here as well. So let's add it right here. And then I'm just checking. We're going to add in a sliding door connecting to the outside. So let's see if we could change the diameter here. Maybe we could put it at 1400. But okay, so 1400 is good enough. Plenty of room. Okay. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.